It's often said that serving up a good old and deeply gold roast chicken is a dish you can count on for any occasion. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Cooking Company. And needless to say, you must always team this beautiful bird with sautéed veggies that will strike a great balance between tasty and healthy. Perfecting a classic roast chicken is a combination of flavorful ingredients and the meticulous technique of stuffing the bird's cavity with essentials to create aromatic flavors like salt, pepper, lemon, garlic, and rosemary. To evenly cook the chicken, we must brush the bird with some melted butter, and salt to taste. Bring the freshly sautéed veggies to the tray to ensure the flavors of these veggies are also infused into the bird. Now, bind the legs of the bird to the body with strings. This process is also known as trussing, which gives a very aesthetic figure of the chicken once done. As we mentioned earlier, the technique is very important to cook this bird flawlessly, and folding the foil this way and placing it on the breast helps prevent the chicken from being overcooked, while giving the other parts considerable time to slow cook. Keep checking the temperature. We don't want anything but a flawless chicken. Once done, add a layer of foil paper to the cooked chicken to keep the bird moist and enhance the flavor with the steam. Let the chicken rest. There, a delicious, succulent, and golden belly-filling meal is ready to savor.